Mga ilang announcements lamang po. Commercial, parish, and family ads from Novaliches, Manila, Antipolo, San Pablo shall be issued in Manila through your respective DPs. Date and venue shall be announced through your DPs. Personal purchase and pay through online without 200 pesos. We now
Mga 30
sale booth. Souvenir magazines as well at 200 pesos per copy is still available at the book sale booth. Press Manual, Red Book po is available at 250 pesos per copy. Please proceed at the book sale booth. Mandatory Balen Serena. Mayor Kapitul, attention po. Another round of announcements lang po as we prepare for our next segment. Photo booth at 80 pesos per print, available po at baba ng hanggan facing the stage. Inulit po namin yung NAPS manual, available as well at 250 pesos sa NAPS booth.
Kaya ba nila lahat umakyat dyan po?
At 100 pesos.
Baka kulang yung sa volume.
Kasi volume ang kulang.
Announcement po, the commissioning of officers will be done after the Mass.
Yung lalagyan si volume.
Announcement po, all delegates of the Diocese of Antipolo, please proceed to the left side before, or beside the stairs, pagkatapos po ng misa bago po magkaroon ng lunch break. Maghahanda po tayo ngayon para sa ating pagdiriwang ng banal na misa. Ito po ay nakapasok na rin yung session number 4. Ang topic po ay Hope from the Ground Up. Let us all put ourselves
Steady
in
lang
the
kayo.
presence of our Lord. Let us all settle down. Doon po sa mga nag-early lunch, kung maaari po ninyong tapusin inyong lunch dyan sa mga designated spots at kayo po ay bumalik na sa inyong mga designated seats, mas mainam po na gawin na po natin ito. Doon naman po sa mga bata kumain, maaari po ba ninyong ipapaliban ng ilang oras para po tayo'y makiisa sa banal na pagdiriwang at namnamin ang magiging topic at laman ng session number 4. Maraming salamat po.